Hey everyone, so I came up with a new video there. I just winged it and we went in for a ride because checked it out on Google Earth. It was a power line trail in Port and I've never been there before, and I'm kind of glad I went because it was actually a really nice trail. Really high altitude, some rugged terrain. It was great. I got to try out the new winch and I'm impressed with it. It seems to work just fine. And I'm going to add a screenshot of the actual location we were in case anybody's in this area and wants to check it out or whatever. And it's just past, just on the other side of Secret Cove Brewery in Port. There's a big transformer outlet there all fenced in, and the dirt trail is right next to it and goes up the power lines. So yeah, if you're ever out this way and you want to check it out, it's a great little trail. I say it goes in about 2 kilometers. There's some smaller trails that go off the sides of it here and there. I put the drone up and it looks like it fades out or is growing in too much after a while, so I wouldn't risk going up with the tracker and had to back all the ways out. So I should be getting my quad out of storage there now shortly, I guess, and maybe we'll take a run up on the quad and check out the other small trails on there. So here it goes, and hope you like it. Okay, so right over there, it's pretty well a dead end, and it's a big drop off. So we can't drive any further. That's over by Kippens Waterfalls, Romaines River. We're pretty high up here. I know cameras aren't the best for getting the depths of everything, but if you look down through the trees, you can see right down through there. See if I can see Kippens Bridge. Kippens Bridge is right there through the trees. See if I can zoom in. Here's the bridge. So yeah, we're really high up here. It's cool. And we just drove down this rock ledge. There's a lot of loose big chunks of rock, so worst case I'll use the winch to get back up it, because it is quite steep. But there it is. Yeah, so gotta get in the tracker there now and see if I can find a spot to turn it around here, because the way I'm parked, I'm kind of on an angle, as you could probably see, and I gotta try to back up right about there somewhere to turn around. So here goes nothing. Alright, so looks like this loose rock was a little too much. It's actually steeper than what it looks on camera here. So I just anchored to a tree up on the hill there. Winch cable wasn't long enough, so I had to add a couple of straps. And now it's time to see if she can winch herself out. Okay, so we managed to get out. I'll tell you, that was pretty steep. Halfway up, all you're doing is looking at the sky. But I managed to find a tree to anchor to. And I was debating on this winch getting it or not, because it's only 6,000 pounds. But I'm mean, the tractor is 2,500 pounds, and I didn't use a snatch block or nothing, and pulled it up like that, like nothing. So I mean, I'm really impressed with that little winch yet. So with a snatch block on there, I got 12,000 pounds pulling power. So that should get me out of any bind that I get myself into. Up a hill, and there's the distance we just came up over there. It's funny how it don't look that steep on camera, but I'll tell you, it ain't real steep. See some of the houses down there in Port to Port. Funny thing, higher altitude like this is a little chilly out there. So I'm gonna put this cover back on the winch there now and jump back in the tractor and head to the next spot.